In addition to the striker bushings, I have here a spring I'm testing out currently at the suggestion of Steyr Club member Gypsy Rock, who did a lot of legwork in an attempt to find a spring that would work on the Steyr that could potentially improve the feeling and or the pull weight of the Steyr M and S series. On the right you can see the factory assembly with the guide rod here and then the spring. This is the factory spring. You can see its length. This is the new spring that I'm trying out. You can see that it is in fact shorter than the factory spring. And then here is the spring installed on the guide rod. Both of these rods are using the Glide Right striker spring bushing sets. One of the biggest advantages so far of this spring is that when it's installed on the rod, you can see that it snakes much less. And what that means is when it is in the striker, this is the factory spring, you can see that this spring, because it's so snaked on this rod, that the spring is actually contacting the striker a fair amount. When I use the new spring here, you'll notice that slides right in with no resistance and does not contact the striker very much at all. I noticed in my testing so far that the pull weight has gone down a pound. My pull weight on the factory spring is 5.5 pounds, and with this new spring it's 4.5 pounds. However, the seat of the pants, the feel of this combination of the Glide Right striker bushing set and this spring, it feels much, much smoother. So I just wanted to let everybody know that we're out here looking at things you can do to improve your Steyr trigger, and I will let you know more about this as it develops.